Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you cute and aesthetic DIY keychain that I made by my hand. So let's start with this green heart keychain. This one is inspired by fairyland and nature vibes. I use soft green wool and this cream color, which always remind me of forests, calm places and peaceful energy. After making this heart and this green tassel, I connected them with beads. So to make this, I used needle, and I was about to get hit and luckily I didn't. If you use a needle too, please be careful. I also hung this cute little charm in the center of the heart and then attached a chain, and our keychain is ready. Next is my coconut themed summer keychain. This one is inspired by beaches, holidays and tropical vibes. So I used brown super clay to make the coconut, and I also made some tiny elements out of clay, such as a little flower, a little umbrella and a straw. Then I put some hot glue gun to make the liquid or juice, I don't know, of the coconut. I attached the chain and our keychain is ready. Now moving on to my pink heart keychain. This one has a soft, dreamy aesthetic vibe. I chose pink because it feels warm, cute and very cozy. So first of all, I made a little tassel with pink yarn. Then I used again a needle, put some beads, took a heart template and covered it entirely with pink yarn. This process literally took me half hour because I was getting confused with the yarn after every 3 seconds. After wrapping and more wrapping, it's finally done. Next up we have this fish keychain. So basically I made this because it's super viral. It came 50 plus times on my feed and I finally thought of making it. So basically I cut a fish template, cut it and pasted it on clear tape and covered it with super clay. Make sure not to use air dry clay, and because it's pretty heavy, your keychain may get broken in less than 2 days. I used some beads to make the charms and some attachments, cause obviously we won't let our fish stay alone. After adding some little details, our fish keychain is ready. Now we have our banana keychain. This one is the most playful and cute. I love making food themes DIYs because they always look funny and adorable. I shaped it like a small banana and kept the design bright and simple. And I made this entirely with pipe cleaner. It's small but it really stands out because of the bright yellow color. And it's ready! Now, I definitely had to make the 6-7 keychain. The internet is completely filled up with this, so I had to make this. So I made it with paper. So I cut the 6-7 and made these 2 strips out of paper to make it look 3D. Now we have this blue sparkle keychain. This is one of my favorite ones because it feels magical and shiny. So I used super clay to make the heart base. Then put a paper because rhinestones wouldn't stick on it directly. And then covered it entirely in rhinestones. I also made a little charm to go with it. And when the light hits it, it really stands out.